Use this silicone towel to clean and scrub, clean pores, remove dirt, excess sebum, and dead skin, make your skin smoother, and greatly reduce the survival of bacteria. Food-grade organic silicone backplate. Easy to clean and dry, and more sanitary than sponges. Suitable for different people, children, elderly, men, women. For use on external parts of your body. Follow up with a rich lotion or cream. Keep your body healthy. Simple shower accessories for personalized body scrubbing. There's a silicone sponge on one side to massage the back to exfoliate without hurting the skin. The other side is an oval structure, which can massage every inch of your skin and promote blood circulation.